Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 15 trades. Today's date is June the 13th, and I am showing how my new method, which is called how to make 10K a day trading mini lots. Showing you some more examples. You can use any system, and even if you are not after 10K a day, let's say you're after 1K a day, well, you would just do less instruments. And of course, you can start off with smaller lot sizes, like say starting with one mini lot. So whether it's 1K a day you're after or 10K a day, this what I'm teaching is how to trade multiple instruments and multiple positions. And this truly is a very good method if you want to grow your account quickly. Now I was trading just prior to 8 this morning, and I closed it all out almost to the minute, 11:30, as you can see here. Now it took time as the market was a little bit slower today, which is okay. Some days in and out, less than an hour, and other days it takes 3 or 4 hours. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer. I was just looking at the futures, the indexes. I was looking at all the charts and how they looked. I was taking a look at my daily trade plan. And of course, once I know if I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. And of course, I'm using my new BB Scalper trading system. It's the Bollinger Bands along with a moving average, and down at the bottom here are some oscillating indicators. Now you will get an audio sound and this pop-up box right here suggesting to buy and or sell. Now because it's much later in the afternoon as I'm doing this video, I took a screenshot earlier, and this is what it looked like, and this is the ones that I'm usually focusing on from the DAX 30 going down. And as you can see, they were all blue bullish trades, and that's exactly what I did. I bought everything this morning. It's a great daily trade plan, best one I ever came across. Love it as it analyzes from the monthly down to the 30 minutes, and within the comments here it'll suggest look for bears or bullish trades. Sometimes it's even preferred. If you have any questions regarding the daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, now we can move along. Okay, most of them are all combined: NASDAQ, S&P, Russell. The DAX, there's one down here which paid out more money, and then of course we have the two at the top which did not move as much. It's not the easiest thing to do, trying to put in multiple positions on multiple instruments, but you keep practicing Monday to Friday in a demo account, and eventually you'll get good at it. Okay, let's run a check on this DAX 30. First trade I took at 748. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now it was a little bit late, but there was two different arrows here. Plenty of things telling me it's going to go up, and I was expecting it, or at least hoping that it was going to go up much higher than that. But some days are like this. It just doesn't move a lot. But anyhow, took the money, and because it's a half a standard lot, normally it's $3.75 for each tick. Divide that by 2, so that's 1.875. So let's see, on the first trade I took, looking for, calculator says it's 35. Be very hard to get it on the 15 minutes, but let's get it as close as possible. That's pretty close, 36, but it is 35. That ended up paying out $65. Took the other trade rate, ended up on top of each other, and dropped it down to the 5 minutes because can see a little bit more clear. And this one here, calculator says it's 60 ticks, so let's see now. Let's say around there. This is where I got out. Looking for 60. There it is right there. 60 ticks, paying out $112. I think I'll just drop it right down here. Catch this other DAX right here. This one here, I took the trade before, so it should be before where I got in here. There it is right here. That's before. And on this one right here, the calculator says it's 545 ticks. So in about here, out the one at the bottom here, so we're still looking for 545. That's as close as I'm going to be able to show, but it's 545, and that ended up paying out $1,021. Okay, let's move on to the Russell. 4 positions here. Normally pays $10 for each tick. I'd have to divide that by 2 as I did a half a standard lot. So I took the money, divided it by 5, and on the first trade here, on the Russell, so let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. First one, it's 51 ticks. So we're looking for 51. That's as close as I'm going to be able to show, because unless I drop it down to the 5 minutes, but it's 51. That ended up paying out $255. And on the next one, it was, looks like 6 minutes before. So it's the before candle. And on this one, it's a little bit more ticks. It's 60 ticks. So let's run a check on that. We're looking for 60. Again, close enough, but it's 60 ticks, paying out $300. And on the next one, 4 minutes before that, so it's going to be in the same general area, on the same candle. And on this one here, it's 81, so we're looking for 81 ticks. There it is right there, 81 ticks, paying out $405. And on the last one, which was 5 minutes before, so it might be on this candle. No, it's actually still on the same candle. And this one here, calculator says it's 105. So from there to there, we're looking for 105. Oh, that's as close as I can show, 105, paying out $525. Remember, I teach exactly how to trade this way, as the package on 10K a day. It's well over 3 gigabytes, and there's 30 training videos. Started off at 22, and then I bumped it up to 24, and today I just completed the 29th video. So on Monday, hopefully I should be able to complete the package of 30 videos, and I show exactly how to get 10K a day and all the secrets on how to trade this way. Moving right along, let's see now. S&P, there's 4 trades in here. Normally it's $5 for each tick. Divide that by 2, so it's $2.50. So you got to divide it by 2.5. And on the first one here, on the S&P 500, Drag and drop this up. Got in here, out there. Calculator on the first one says it's 215 ticks. Now that's the way the market moves, a little bit flat, a little bit down, and then eventually there's too many things saying that it's going to go up, and up it went. That's as close as I'm going to be able to show. 217, but it's 215. That paid out $537. Okay, moving on to the next one. Took this one 5 minutes before. So it's going to be in the same general area. Candle before. Calculator says that this is 227. 227. 227. That's as close as I'm going to be able to show. And that ended up paying out $568. And on the next one here, calculator says it's 255. And this was 5 minutes before. So it might be on this red candle right here. It's remaining on this 15-minute candle. So this one here, I said it was 255. Another one that's as close as I can show, 255. That paid out $637. See, remember, you don't need a lot of ticks on each trade. But if you're doing multiple positions, then you can see it grows your account quickly. Now on this one, it was 5 minutes before, so I think it's got to be on this red candle, but who knows? Oh, it's which way are we going here? 5 minutes, 7:33. Oh yeah, it's the one at the bottom here. So all these three positions I took on the same candle, and this one says it's 280. From there to there, 280. This one I got right on. Remove the last digit, 280. That paid out $700. Okay, we already did the DAX 30. Moving on to the last instrument, the NASDAQ. And on the first one, don't need a calculator for this. Normally $20 divided by 2 because it's half of 20. And I did a half a standard lot. So on the first one, we're going to bump it up. Looks like it'll be 113. This one will be 120. And this one will be 130. And this one will be 140. So let's see now. NASDAQ on the first one. They're all going to be, close them all out at the same time. But the first one, as I mentioned, was 113. 114, close enough. That ended up paying out 1,129. And on the next trade, it was 6 minutes before that. So it was on the previous candle. And on this one, it says, the calculator says it's 120. So 120, closing out. That's as close as I'm going to be able to show. 120. Remember, you remove the last two digits. That paid out, actually that was 119.9. But anyhow, close enough. That paid out $1,199. And on the next one, this was 4 minutes before that. So it might even be on the same candle here. There it is. A little bit further down. This one is 130 we're looking for. 130. 130. Again, can't get much closer than that. But it's 130. That paid out 1,306. And on the last one, which was 5 minutes before that, same candle, but the one at the bottom, and has to be further down because it's 140 ticks we're looking for. 140. Got that one right on. Whoops. 140. There it is right there. And that paid out $1,401. So definitely Another great day of trading. Great way to end the week on this Friday. And I knew it was going to be well over, obviously, 200 ticks. I ended up getting a grand total of 2,417 ticks. And as you can see, all those ticks paid out $10,163. So if your system's not producing, like my BB Scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it. Don't forget about the daily trade plan. And I didn't get a chance to show you my FibMaster tool. But anyhow, if you want to see any of that, well, just get in contact with me. Easy to do. All you have to do is look right below this video in the description. You'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I answer the phone most of the time, unless of course I'm busy or sleeping or whatever the case may be. And now if you can't call me, well, just send me an email. Now I really do prefer to use Teams, so I made a link. All you got to do is click on it. It's right below this video. There's a link. You click on it. We'll have a Teams connection. And through Teams, we'll be able to chat live, can do screen sharing. And at that point, I should be able to answer most of your questions. Now, you will also see in the description 5 different packages. Used to be 4, but now 5. I added the one I'm doing today, 10K a day. And I do charge $250 for each package. And of course, I have a special offer that if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 of the other 3 for free. Well, we're at 17 minutes. It runs past the 15. I try to keep it within 15, but when I do a lot of trades like this, well, it runs a little bit longer. So anyhow, time to wrap up this video, like I said. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.